Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to stop iPhone flipping selfies. To stop your iPhone from flipping selfies, you need to adjust the settings so that the front camera captures mirror images, which is the way selfies appear on the screen before you take the photo. Here's how you can do it. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. To check if it's updated, go to the Settings app, then General, Software Update, to check for available updates. Now, let's go back to the settings, scroll down, and tap on Camera. Find the option labeled Mirror Front Camera or Mirror Front Photos and toggle it on. This setting ensures that your selfies are saved as they appear in the camera preview without flipping them. By enabling the Mirror Front Camera option, you can stop your iPhone from flipping selfies, ensuring they're saved in the desired orientation.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.